Welcome to our comprehensive guide on CPWD construction standards. In this session, we explore essential definitions of floor levels, plinths, and foundation work. The slide titled Floor and Levels introduces detailed explanations aimed at clarifying building specifications. Notice the dark background and clear white text that emphasize key concepts. This overview sets the stage for understanding detailed construction benchmarks as stipulated by CPWD specifications. Let's begin our journey into precise construction guidelines today. This slide delves into understanding the sequential numbering of building floors. Floor 1 represents the lowest floor above ground, followed by floor 2, floor 3, and beyond. The design emphasizes a clear, numbered layout with purple horizontal lines that help differentiate each section. Pay attention to the descriptive text that explains how each floor level element is defined for accurate construction planning and compliance with CPWD standards. Observe the clarity in every detail. Now we examine the definitions of floor levels. This slide clarifies that floor 1 level is determined by the top finished floor, while upper floors use the topmost structural slab as a reference. The combination of a construction site photograph with bold text provides a practical visual contrast. Clear definitions aid in precise measurement and planning, ensuring compliance with CPWD rules, a critical aspect for both students and practicing professionals in civil engineering. Here, we focus on the plinth level standard essential to construction practices. The slide explains that the plinth level is defined as either floor 1 level or 1.2 meters above ground, whichever is lower according to CPWD guidelines. The box sections enhance understanding by highlighting both definition and importance. Recognizing this baseline is crucial for accurate measurements, billing, and overall project planning in civil engineering projects, ensuring consistency and quality in structural design. Next, we explore special structures guidelines where conventional floor identification does not apply. This slide outlines specific level definitions for structures like retaining walls, chimneys, and overhead reservoirs. Notice the numbered list and vertical timeline that detail ascending measurements, including the 1.2 meter baseline and subsequent increments of 3.5 meters. These guidelines ensure that unique structural elements receive appropriate consideration and accurate measurement in accordance with CPWD specifications. They guide effective project execution indeed. Moving on, we address non-standard height situations in buildings. The slide discusses how, when floor height measurements do not neatly equal multiples of 3.5 meters, the next sequential floor is assigned. A highlighted rule reinforces that even minor differences in height mandate progression in floor numbering. This approach ensures compliance with CPWD guidelines, maintaining both fairness in measurement and consistency in construction project documentation. These standards support accurate and orderly project execution indeed. Now, we examine the foundation and plinth work scope as defined by CPWD. This slide explains that construction activities up to 1.2 meters above ground level are segmented by category. The visual icons and text details help distinguish work on buildings, abutments, piers, and walls. Understanding these thresholds is vital for preparing accurate cost estimates and ensuring project compliance with standard construction practices. This clarity is essential for every engineering project success indeed. Focusing on reservoirs and basements, this slide explains the foundation scope for these specialized structures. For reservoirs, works are carried out up to 1.2 meters above the ground, while for basements, measurements extend to floor 1 level. The dual column design with descriptive text and an illustrative image reinforces practical guidelines. Such clear standards support effective project planning and accurate cost estimation under CPWD specifications. Consistent standards ensure success for complex engineering projects indeed. Finally, we address deep foundation provisions. The slide delineates that estimates must account for foundations exceeding 3 meters from the plinth. A prominent blue note highlights additional material, labor, and technical considerations. Coupled with a striking excavator image, these guidelines emphasize the increased complexity of deep foundations. A thorough understanding ensures precise estimations and adherence to CPWD specifications for challenging projects. Remember, detailed analysis of deep foundations is vital for construction excellence indeed. Thank you for engaging with our instructional guide on CPWD construction specifications. This concluding collage reinforces our commitment to quality learning, featuring our Cerebral Pursuits emblem, technical drawings, and social media prompts. The visual elements, including the golden YouTube play button and action icons, invite you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Embrace this knowledge journey and let precision guide your engineering success. Your active participation fosters a community of engineering excellence indeed.